welcome back to Dilly's ADV, where every day is an adventure. Today I wanted to share a review on some LEDs. This review actually took place several years ago and was never published. So the video quality may not be as good, but the information is spot on. To this day, that review is accurate.
This may actually be considered a review on two products because the light on the right is being replaced due to its counterpart failing to work, or stay on the bike for that matter. Both light sets were purchased for around the $10 mark, making them inexpensive and comparable in price. I believe the greatest weakness it had is the firm mount. I also noticed from day one that they were not all that secure to begin with because of poor build quality. The replacement one, on the left, felt like it had better build quality right out of the box. Also, because of the rubber mounting, these took a lot of beatings, more even than the bike was built for, and continued to work without flaw. As far as effectiveness, the light on the right is more reflexive in light and thus does not have as much variance from off to on, making it, in my opinion, not as visible and therefore not as effective. The light on the left, however, is not as reflexive, and with the hole in the middle allows for more contrast, making it just a little bit brighter to the eye and thus more effective and more noticeable. These lights have been in service since 2011. The bike has been wrecked multiple times, needing much repair. To this day, there has not been an issue with the mounting or function of these lights. If you are looking for quality blinkers that will take a beating and keep on working for your motorcycle or any other project for that matter, these may just be the ones. I have placed a link in the description. Using this link will support my channel and enable me to make more content like this.
Hope you enjoy, and we'll see you next time.